Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So in this video, we're going to be creating some quick and easy alcohol ink necklaces. Now these are just tiny acrylic pieces. They do have brown paper on one side right now, but they are clear and they've already got the hole in them for the necklace. These are from Artist Till Death, the website artisttilldeath.com, and they have all kinds of acrylic pieces that you can acrylic pour on, use alcohol ink, resin, etc. So I'm primarily using Ranger alcohol inks, but I will also be using some Pinata ones because I find these to be a bit more opaque and they can kind of lighten up the colors sometimes or just be a little less see-through. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start by dripping alcohol inks on here. And I will speed this up, but I'll go ahead and just walk you through doing one of them. That's really, really simple. So for this, I think I'll go with some reds and pinks, maybe some orange. These are pretty small pieces, so I'm gonna try not to overdo it. I'm gonna add some white in here. And then I'll also go ahead and add some gold. The gold can really take over, so be kind of careful with that one. All right, that's all there is to it. So you just let that dry. You can tilt it if you want to run off some of the ink. Like I did put maybe a little too much gold, so I can kind of take some of that off pretty easily, even just by running it off with my finger there. As I was saying it takes over, I still went ahead and put a little too much on there. But there you go. I went ahead and removed some. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play around with these other ones. I'll speed it up and we'll have some fun.
I'm up all day, all night, doing more than trying to survive. Got this caffeine in my bloodstream, working on the same dream that I've had since I was 5. I splatter paint on the canvas, thinking about all the people that told me I can't. Well, I'ma fake it till I make it, I'ma break those rules, I'll do whatever it takes. So while they're all dreaming, oh believe me, I don't need no sleep. Burning candles on all ends, so I'm in so deep. There ain't nothing that can stop me when I get no sleep.
All right, that's all there is to it. I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry, and then I will peel the paper off of the back and I'll show you how that looks. I'll attach the necklaces and we'll be done. Okay, we're back. So these are all completely dry. Look how beautiful that is. And we haven't even seen the other side yet. So I decided what I want to do here is show you guys how they will look resined. Now, of course, resin generally takes about 24 hours to cure. So I'm going to use some UV resin on these guys. And then we'll be able to take the backs off and look at them pretty instantly. So for anyone who does not know what UV resin is, it's a special kind of resin that you don't have to mix, and it is cured by UV light. Now that can mean sticking it in the sun or sticking it under a UV light. So it's pretty cool, but it has very limited workability. You cannot use it on big projects at all. You can only use it on something very small like this. Like you couldn't use it to seal a painting. I wouldn't use it really to seal anything other than maybe something this tiny. But it has its uses. And then it goes into the box. So I will go ahead and speed this up here. So it goes into this UV light box for about 30 seconds or more. You can have it in there for a few minutes. This one has different settings, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that cure, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, these are cured, nice and glossy. So at this stage, you can peel the paper off the back. And forgive my messy hands. It should be pretty easy. And then either side really could be the front. Totally up to you. Let's go ahead and peel this one off. Sometimes the back is way cooler than the front. Other times, not so much. So here's the front and here's the back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, I'll finish up, I think, this one. So I'm going to attach a jump ring. I've got some pliers here. And then we'll put on the necklace cord. Okay, there we go. This jump ring's a little small for this necklace, but that's okay. We'll make it work for now. So there you guys have it, some really simple alcohol ink necklaces. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time.